Hey everybody, Jake and Brenda here, Our Sweet Adventures.
Hello.
Today we're making...
We are going to make Oreo Bats and Reese's Buttercup Bats.
Yeah. So
let's get started. Okay, what we have here is the snack size Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. You could use the smaller mini ones as well. And here we have the milk chocolate cookies, Oreo cookies, and the Betty Crocker writing icing to help with the eyes to stay down. And we have an assortment. Well, it's just all one size eyes. So, all right, we're gonna start out with the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup first. And like I said, you can use the mini peanut butter cups, just to whatever your liking may be. Okay. Let's get a Oreo cookie. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it apart very carefully. I'm just gonna try to swipe the frosting off a little bit more, although you want a little so it kind of sticks. But then we're gonna take it like this and we're just gonna break it for the wings. And so they're not gonna be even, but maybe. So you wanna stick them up like, kind of like this, but we need to use the icing to make them stay on. Just gonna put a little bit on the back. And I don't know if if you want to use something different than this icing, but to me it seems it's less messy. So I think that's about right. And their wings aren't perfect, so don't judge. All right, so then we're gonna get two little eyes, and we wanna put them really close together on here. I think I'm just gonna put the icing here for both of them. And there's so many different ways you can make these. I come across so many. I would have liked to have been able to do all of them, but they had where you cut the Oreos in half and stuff too, but I kind of like the easy ones, the easy recipes. Now you can see that there we go. You have to adjust the wing a little bit, So that turned out pretty cute, I think.
Yeah.
Alrighty, and now the next one we'll do, I'm gonna go ahead and leave him on there, and you can let that frosting harden up there. So the next one, this one you can just eat if you want.
I will.
Okay, you can.
Okay.
All right, so the next one, we're gonna pull it apart, but this time we're gonna take, oh, you know what? Sorry, can't eat it, because I gotta have it.
Yeah.
For the wings. So there again, we're gonna break it in half. And I had Oreo, I don't know if you can see it or not, but real close. It says Oreo right there. I think you should have it that way so that the wings turn out the best. The other way wouldn't work right. Just an FYI. And okay, there we go. And now, for this one, we're going to put the frosting in here. Ooh.
And the grandkids are probably coming over today, so they'll have fun with these.
Oh yeah. Don't know if we'll make any with them or not, but see how much time they have. But at least we're gonna make a few, so at least they have some to try to eat.
Yeah.
Okay. There again, you have to make the bat wings so they're up highest, over that way. Now we need to put, excuse me, put this back on top here like this. So I'm just going to put a bunch of frosting here. Like I said, you could use, you know, frosting out of a can or whatever as well, or make your own for that matter. And then we're going to put it on top like that. Press it down. Okay. Kind of resembles a bat, yes.
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
And then I think we want the eyes up here.
Yeah.
And you want to make sure that they're, you know, close together because it makes it
That
look
makes
the
the
best.
difference.
It does. It does. Okay. So these aren't too time consuming. I mean, if you made lots of them, but really, what?
Oh,
Would
yeah.
have been doing 5 minutes here, maybe, you know?
Yep.
So there we go. There's our 2 different types
Yeah.
of bats.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
So, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And in the comments, leave where you are watching from.
Yes, and we are doing some little short
yes.
videos now. So
Yeah, we're doing short videos too. So check those out.
Yep.
Those are usually on Tuesdays.
Yep.
Not usually, but they are on Tuesdays. All right,
Okay.
till next time.
see
Bye.
you later.